Today we discuss about mobile nutrients and immobile nutrients. Mobile nutrients are those nutrients which deficient in plants and move from mature tissue to younger tissue. The nutrients are transfer from mature tissue to younger tissue. Mature tissue to younger tissue and deficiency symptoms are appeared on the mature leaves, means older leaves. These called mobile nutrients. The example of mobile nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, potash and magnesium. And let's discuss about immobile nutrients. Immobile nutrients are those nutrients which deficiency in plants cannot move from mature tissue to younger tissue. Cannot move from mature tissue to younger tissue, and the deficiency symptoms are appear on the younger leaves. These called the immobile nutrients. The example of immobile nutrients. The example of immobile nutrients are calcium, boron and sulfur. And another one is semi-mobile. Semi-mobile. Example of semi-mobile is zinc.